Alright, real versus nominal interest rates. Real interest rates have been corrected for inflation, just like real GDP was corrected for inflation. All real variables in economics are always corrected for inflation, and the real variables are the meaningful variables that you can actually draw a conclusion off of. A nominal one, like anything that's nominal, isn't usually useful or meaningful. So, nominal interest rate is really how quickly your money is growing in an account. So like the bank pays you 5% nominal interest rate and it compounds, let's say, one time a year. So you have 5% more money in that account at the end of the year. So, hey, you have 5% more money, but that really doesn't mean you can buy 5% more items, because at the same time your money's growing in the account, the prices are growing, which would be the inflation rate. So the nominal really isn't telling you anything about how your purchasing power of your account is growing. On the other hand, the real interest rate will tell you how much your purchasing power is growing. So it's been corrected for inflation, and like I said, it tells you the purchasing power increase or decrease in your account. And a setup of this would be, let's say the account is paying a nominal interest rate of 5%, so your money's growing at 5%. We don't know what your purchasing power is growing or maybe even shrinking at until we have the inflation rate. And let's say, just for a simplified example, the inflation rate was 2%. So you'll have at the end of the year 5% more money, and the prices will be 2% higher. So in reality, you'll be able to buy 3% more goods and services. So your real return on that would be 3%. Your real interest rate would be 3%. So real interest rate is just the nominal rate minusing out the inflation. So notice this is how we correct for inflation. We minus it out. So my example, 5% nominal return, prices go up by 2%. You're really gaining 3%. Think about it. You gain purchasing power only if your account grows faster than the prices grow. So hopefully that clarifies the difference between nominal and real interest rate.